Alright, so I just changed the battery. 2021 Street Glide. As you can see, the resting voltage for these lithiums is almost damn near 14 volts. So that'll be probably about 13.5. And start right up. Once you start riding, the stator's gonna kick in. Now before, when I turned the bike off, it would drop damn near almost down to 12 volts. But now you see resting voltage. So, and it's an amplifier. When he first brought it over here, even with me turning the volume up on the bike, the voltage will start dropping. So, good now. Real clean bike. So it's done.